Perry Up is the scaffolding construction kit for nearly every application, both for surface scaffolding in the facade and for complex scaffolding. Amongst others, Perry is presenting the second generation of its scaffolding construction kit at Bauma.
So the second generation of our Perry Up construction kit is extremely light, up to 20% less weight of each part. So this gives the construction builder more lightness, and it's more efficient and easy now to build up a scaffold. So we have an extension package for our industry customers. We have new products, new extension products, especially for industrial application. And for facade scaffolding, we have additional products like our super light aluminum deck. Also gives great opportunities for facade scaffolding.
The digitization megatrend has now also reached the issue of scaffolding at Bauma. Perry is introducing 3D laser scanning and telling visitors how it can simplify the planning of complex scaffolding.
So the advantages of 3D laser scanning are especially in the area of maintenance. With scanning we get comprehensive 3D solution as compared to poor 2D drawings. The benefits of scanning are that we get a realistic 3D model of the given situation in which we can then build our scaffold inside, and by that we receive a complete part list and an exact positioning so that the scaffolders know where to position the scaffold inside the area. The whole procedure itself is not very time intensive. As you can see, we have a mobile scanner with us. If we come to the facility, we need minimum 3 stations. Each station needs less than 10 minutes time in order to do the scan. And afterwards we receive a point cloud which we can then adjust and amend in the technical office, create a rendering and create a complete 3D model afterwards.